Okay, so here is the best way on how you can actually appeal Roblox on ban in your PC. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, what you have to do is just simply head over to your web browser. Obviously, you won't be able to go to Roblox because you are banned in it, but this is what Roblox is, and if you try to open it up, it will show you the ban icon and you won't be able to play it. So first up, what you need to do is just go to your Gmail and check your problem, what it says. If it says something, according to your ban and how much will it last and everything. So you just gotta make sure and check the reason for it, why you were banned. And after that, you have to type in Roblox support on your Google or any other web browser. Just go ahead and open that up. Just like that. Once you open up your support, you'll be in this section called date of birth, and right over here you gotta put in your month and then your date and then your year, of course. So just put in some random year and whatever year you've put it in. So yeah, just put it in like this. Yeah, and after that just press continue, and then it will ask you your contact information, so your username and then your first name. So yeah, just username and then your first name and your email address, okay, and then your confirmed email address and then your device type, whatever device you're using. And let's say I'm on PC, and then your type of category, whatever it said, and then you got to describe your problem or your issue, whatever you have. So you just got to describe it and tell them that you are you didn't do that on purpose, or they banned, you got banned unpurposely. So it must be something like this for examples. And once this is done, you just got to press continue, and Roblox will reach out to your email address and they will look up to it and then see if you're actually banned for real or not, and they'll fix it. So yeah, this is it on how you can actually fix this ban appeal on Roblox and ask Roblox for help. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tool actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.